This is the 3.4 notes video for slide number 20. All right, so it says find dy dx for y equals x to the cosine x power. All right, so as soon as you see an x in the base and an x in the power, that means that we are going to use logarithmic differentiation. All right, so first step is to take the natural log of both sides of the equation. So natural log of y equals the natural log of x to the cosine x. All right, next step is to use the property of exponents, all right, to bring it in front of the natural log. But remember, only if the cosine actually goes to everything inside of the natural log. So for instance, let's say I had like y equals 3 times x to the cosine x. All right. If there was a 3x in here, notice the cosine x does not go to the 3 unless there were parentheses around it. So you couldn't bring the cosine in front. You would actually, if I go over here, if you had this, you would have to separate into the natural log of 3 plus the natural log of x to the cosine x. And then you could bring the cosine x only in front of the natural log of x. All right. So anyway, so we bring the cosine x in front. So we get cosine x times the natural log of x. All right. Now I'm ready to take the derivative. So I'm going to take the derivative with respect to x of both sides of the equation. All right, now on the left side, when I take the derivative with respect to x, I take the derivative of the natural log of y, which is 1 over y, times dy dx, right? The derivative of y with respect to x. Remember, we're applying the chain rule. All right. Over here, I take the derivative with respect to x. So now notice there are x's in here, but we have a product. And so we're going to use the product rule. So we take cosine x times the derivative of the natural log of x, which is 1 over x, plus the natural log of x times the derivative of cosine x, which is negative sine of x. All right, so we have all of that. So now, remember, what is our goal? Our goal is to find dy dx. So we're going to solve for dy dx by multiplying by y. So I have dy dx equals y times this. So I have cosine x divided by x minus the natural log of x times the sine of x. All right, and so now instead of y, we go back to what the original function was y equals x to the cosine x. So instead of y, I'm going to put x to the cosine x. So dy dx is x to the cosine x times the quantity cosine x over x minus the natural log of x times the sine of x. All right, and that is